boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Pierce and this is Mrs. Osborne. We're your preschool teachers this year. We wanted to show you around our classroom. This is what we look like with our masks on, and this is what we look like with our masks off. All right, we're going to show you around our classroom. When you first come in, boys and girls, you are going to wash your hands each day. Let me show you. We're going to have some children washing their hands here at this sink, and then we have a bathroom where you can wash your hands also. And we'll be doing lots of hand washing this year. We have lots of activities for us to do at our different centers. We have a writing center, and each time you come in, there'll be different things for you to do. We have this area is where we're going to be having our circle time, and we're going to be having small groups. So some friends might be doing some activities at the tables or way over there in the block and cart area, while some friends are here at our circle time. We even have a special place for you outside the classroom, right outside the door, so you can take a mask break. Okay? And we are going to be going outside each day also. Our playground is right outside this door. Well, we can't wait to see you in person. See you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.